Recording in progress. Hi everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through our data-driven analysis on global COVID-19 vaccine distribution and its impact on death and new cases. As Pfizer's analytics team, our goal is to evaluate how vaccination efforts shaped pandemic outcomes across different countries and how distribution is scaled globally, and where Pfizer should focus next based on unmet demands. All visuals in this presentation come from our Tableau dashboard. Mhm. Um, our business objective for this analysis, our analysis focuses on three key questions. First, does vaccination actually reduce COVID-19 deaths and new confirmed cases? Second, how rapidly did global vaccine distribution scale during 2021? And third, which countries show the highest unmet need and represent the strongest future demand for Pfizer vaccines? We'll answer these questions using three Tableau dashboards um, built from global case death and vaccination data sets. Let's begin with our global COVID-19 impact and response dashboard. This view highlights one of the most important findings of the pandemic, the unprecedented scale-up of vaccine distribution. In January 2021, the world had administered only zero point 0.1 billion doses. By September 2021, that number skyrocketed to 7.74 billion doses. This 78-fold increase demonstrates how quickly global supply chain expanded once vaccines became unavailable. At the same time, when we look at the top 10 countries by total deaths, including the United States, Brazil, India, Mexico, we see where the largest decrease burden was concentrated during this period. Okay. Um, Okay. The trend lines make the story very clear. In the US, Brazil, and India, that's rise is steepy before vaccination, but once deployment accelerates, the curves begin to flatten. Um, this pattern is consistent across all three countries and suggests a strong population level protection as coverage increases. Um, the key takeaway is that high vaccination coverage is strongly associated with slowing mortality, where vaccines is scaled faster and that accelerations drop sooner. Okay. Okay, for our dashboard number two, uh, um, our second dashboard takes a closer look at four representative countries: the United States, Brazil, India, and Germany. Here. These countries differ in size, demographics, and health systems, which makes the comparison especially interesting. Here, we see that countries with fastest vaccinations uptake, particularly the US and Germany, experience stabilization in both case trends, and that's earlier in 2021. Their curves show a clear decline or flattening as coverage rises. Meanwhile, countries with slower or latter rollouts, such as Brazil and India, in early 2021 faced severe case surges before vaccine were widely available. Brazil crossed over 21 million cases and 592,000 deaths, while India expected over 33 million cases and 446,000 deaths. When we overlay vaccination curves with new case numbers, the relationship becomes stronger as vaccination increases and case growth decelerates. Not perfectly because of variants and regional outbreaks, but the overall pattern is clear. The key takeaway, vaccination speeds matters, and countries that reach high coverage earlier so faster stabilization of deaths in few cases. Pfizer ability to support rapid coverage directly influences pandemic outcomes. Okay. Um, for our third dashboard, Uh, our third dashboard focuses on future market opportunities. Countries where disease burden remains high and vaccination levels remain low. Here, we highlight Bulgaria, Iran, Romania, South Africa, and Ukraine. These countries are all share two characteristics. Number one, low doses administered relative to their population, and number two, high cases per 1,000 citizens indicating ongoing transmission. For example, Romania and Iran show roughly zero point 0.5 doses per person, far below the threshold where countries have seen strong reductions on death. Bulgaria and South Africa similarly sit at the low end of vaccine availability while still experiencing substantial case rates. From Pfizer perspective, this country represents both a public health need and commercial opportunity to expand supply is strengthen distribution partnerships, and support governments in accelerating coverage. The key takeaway, countries with low coverage and high case rates represents immediate high impact market for Pfizer's and next wave of vaccine deployment. Okay. Um, Across all dashboards, four consistent insights emerge. First, vaccine significantly reduce deaths and slow new case growth, and once countries reach meaningful coverage levels. Second, the global rollouts is scaled faster than any vaccine program in history. Um, a 78-fold increase on doses delivered in just 9 months. Third, major coverage gaps remain, especially in Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and parts of Africa. And fourth, five countries, which is Bulgaria, Iran, Romania, South Africa, and Ukraine, show the strongest unmet need and represents strategic priorities for Pfizer. Um, for the strategic recommendations, based on our analysis, we recommend the following actions for Pfizer. Um, for 90 days, focus supply and support in Bulgaria, Romania, Iran, South Africa, and Ukraine. Implement the rapid coverage acceleration programs based on successful rollouts in the US and Germany. For the medium term, use patterns observed in India and Brazil to build predictive models that anticipate new hotspots, strengthen partnership with ministries of health in regions with existing cold chain capacity. And for the long term, leverage the global distribution infrastructure established in 2021 to support future booster campaigns and variant targeted vaccines. The ability to scale rapidly will remain essential as COVID-19 evolves. Okay. Uh, okay. In conclusion, the data clearly show that vaccines reduce deaths, slow case growth, and stabilize outbreaks when deployed quickly and widely. Although global distribution has expanded dramatically, significant gaps remain, and Pfizer has the opportunity to fill these gaps where demand and public health need are highest. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reviewing our analysis.